Hello viewers, and welcome once again to our podcast from the IEC GM 2025. We today have a very special guest with us, Shri Praveen Khanna ji, who is the Deputy Director General, Planning and Coordination, the Bureau of Indian Standards. We welcome you on your show, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
As we are seeing that this event is having a huge exhibition and there's a lot of inflow of the students from the Standards Club. So can you have your insights into what these Standards Clubs are and how this exhibition is going to be of useful impact for our future generation?
Well, as you all know, the IEC GM 2025 exhibition is all about showcasing the latest advancements in technology and sustainability. For students, it offers a first-hand experience to show what they are learning in the classroom and what technology can do. It is an opportunity to witness the latest cutting technology and how they shape the industries and the global progress. Ultimately, it ignites the curiosity and inspires students to explore careers in the fields of technology and sustainability. It is a chance to visualize how their education can contribute to the global change.
That's amazing, sir. Speaking of the first-hand experience, we know that mentors and BIS officers accompany the students during these events and interactions. How important do you think is the mentor-student BIS officer partnership, and how is it going to maximize the students' participation?
Yeah. You see, the mentor-student and BIS officer partnership is absolutely essential in maximizing the learning outcomes. Mentors act as guides, helping students connect with what they learn in their classroom and what the exhibition they have seen. The BIS officers bring in the critical perspective of standards and quality, helping students understand all the framework and underpins all the technology they are witnessing. Together, they create a supportive and structured environment that fosters both deep learning and a sense of purpose for the students.
Continuing further, sir, as we understand that there is a large inflow of students in this general meeting, so there have been competitions like poster making and the other activities which are making the students understand about the very theme of this general meeting, which is fostering the sustainable world. So how are these activities going to make these students aware about these initiatives?
You see, these creative activities are powerful tools for connecting students to abstract ideas like sustainability. When they create posters or do other activities, they are not just expressing their creativity, they are also linking these ideas to real world solutions. And when these activities are tied to standards, it helps students realize that sustainability is not just ideal, it is something we can measure and implement through structured practical frameworks. This encourages them to think critically about how they can contribute to a sustainable future and the role standards play in ensuring that what we get.
That's a very valid point that you have made, sir. So from BIS's perspective, how significant is it for the students from the Standards Club to participate in an international event like this? And what message do you think it is going to send to the world?
Well, it is incredibly significant. When students from India's Standards Club participate in such a global platform, it signals our commitment to nurturing a generation that understands and values standardization. It is not just about learning, it is about being ambassadors of quality, sustainability and progress. On the global stage, it sends a message that India is investing in its youth to lead in these crucial areas, reinforcing that we see them not just as students but as a future leaders in shaping global standards.
As we have seen the participation of students from the Standards Club, how do you think that it's going to inspire the students across the country and strengthen the Standards Club movements in the schools and colleges?
At present we have around more than 3.2 lakh students in our Standards Club. Around 200 students participated in this event. This initiative is bound to have a ripple effect. When students from one region participate in an event like this, It inspires others to follow.
Exactly.
It will encourage more activities in college to set up new active standards club, which in turn promote the culture of quality and standardization throughout the country. The more students that get involved, the more we embed these values into the fabric of our education. This movement will strengthen the mindset of future generations, making them not just consumers of knowledge, but contributors to global progress through standards.
This was a very insightful conversation indeed, and it's clearly evident that the IEC GM 2025 event is much more than just an exhibition. It's a platform that's shaping the leaders of tomorrow. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and experience with us today, sir.
Thank you very much for having me with you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Namaskar.